In what way do you hope Brickwater will resonate with Alexandria's residents and visitors?
Like I said earlier, I hope that people learn from it. I hope that people will find it visually interesting. I think that what I use for a tool is that the work sort of looks kind of out of place. There are some ways that it feels like it belongs, but there's this tension because it also looks like it doesn't. And so I think that is something that kind of lures people in and kind of disarms people. And then they just become really curious, and they're led by their curiosity to just kind of want to know more. And as I said earlier, I hope that people learn a bit more and just share the history.
How do you want people to engage with the artwork?
How do I want people to engage with it, or how are they actually engaging with it? Well, I hope that people will visit it during the day and also at night. It becomes very different at night, where there is this kind of warm amber glow that emanates from within. So it sort of looks like, it almost looks like it's on fire. So I hope that people will engage with the work in that way, that they will take pictures with the art, not climb on the art, but take pictures with it. Yeah.